700 apartment units here, and they look not too different than they have for the last number of years. And they were recently boarded up, they were foreclosed on, and they were simply blighted. And people would say that the West Side is blighted, when in fact, the West Side is not blighted. This area is blighted.
Research indicates that 3 out of 4 families living in today's most segregated, poor communities are the same families that lived in these communities 50 years ago.
Today marks a milestone. It's always great when we start a demolition or a groundbreaking or whatever, but this is going to be a transformational project.
This truly is a historic milestone, the demolition and soon the construction of a new mixed-income housing community on this site. And you can see just by looking around how badly we need it. But this construction that we're celebrating today is only the beginning